Hey folks, it's Joe. I'm in beautiful Broomfield, Colorado today, very close to Erie. Look at that view. Well, but look at this view. It's Lightning McQueen. This is a car that belongs to a very good friend of mine. She bought this car in 2011 as a very nice 86,000 mile street car and immediately took it to my friend Chris Cervelli and said, make me a track car. So Chris did everything. It has proper JRZ suspension, 960 AML30 sway bars. He upgraded the control arms, brake house, strut brace, camber plates, just everything. I think at the time he did the top end. The cage was done back when Hank Padilla at Hanksville Hot Rods was building a bunch of really good cages. Look at this cage. Properly done. This was not one of Hank's bolt-in cages. This was a custom done cage. Look, you can see the bar going across above the dash, at the header there, all properly done on plates, on structural points. It's a very good cage. Like I said, it's got the GRZs. You can see the cans there. It's got the AIM Smarty cam and data system, which is really cool because we know that it has just over 16,000 track miles since the conversion was done. Removable steering wheel, driver seat harnesses expire I think in 26 or 27. Passenger seat harnesses are expired. Runs, idles beautifully. I started up, no lifter noise, no noise like that. There's our brake house, strut brace, camber plates, like I said, JRZs. It's got an upgraded radiator. It has a guard diff. Stan at G-Box recently, there's a bunch of recent maintenance in the last 4 or 5 track days. The limited slip's been redone. The transmission's been redone. The pads and rotors have been done. What else was there? That was the big stuff. Anyway, the maintenance stuff is all up to date. This is a kid favorite at the track for very obvious reasons. Not the fastest car at the track, but maybe the coolest. So in any case, for sub $20,000, say you're going to DE events, track day events with your very expensive 911, and you go, I don't want to put this car at risk anymore. I want something that'd be fun. Well, this car is fun, and in the price range it's in, okay, this sounds a little maybe entitled or something, but it's almost disposable. Sub $20,000. You take it to the track. First of all, you're perfectly safe because you have proper seats, harnesses, and roll cage. And God forbid if something happens to the car, it's a sub $20,000 car, not a $120,000 or a $220,000 car. Super fun. I raced 944 S2s for years. Pretty darn reliable, pretty fun to drive. I think this car does have, like I said, 960 AML30 sway bars. It does not have the big turbo brakes.
It does. Yes,
okay.
It does.
Oh, no. So those are the Turbo S brakes, I believe. So the upgraded. This is what I did on my car as well. I had a 944 S2 Firehawk car that I raced for years. So you put basically the late 88 Turbo S, 89 Turbo brakes on the front and just run the you-know-what out of it. So in any case, under 20 grand, car is all maintenance up, super fun, 16,000 miles since the conversion, which makes it roughly 110, 112, 113,000 total miles on the car. Just a whole lot of fun for the money. It's here in Broomfield. If you'd like to come see it, maybe if you're really nice, if we work something out, we can arrange a test drive out at High Plains. But not my normal offering, but super neat. And the owner of this car is a super good friend and has done all sorts of stuff properly done on this car, having one of my favorite mechanics in all of Colorado doing the work. You know it's done properly. Maintenance has been done at Dart Auto, which is fantastic here in town. And of course, Big Mission down in Palmer Lake. That's my favorite place down in Colorado Springs. All super good guys doing the work. Stan at G-Box helped rebuild the transmission. Of course, Matt with Guard provided the parts for the limited slip refresh. I'm going on and on. I love these cars because I raced them for years. But if you'd like to come see it, if you'd like to talk about it, just give me a call. This is Joe, 720-382-6167. A little longer than usual on the video, but I thank you for watching.